Hey guys, today I'm cooking yellow beans. As you can see, I've soaked them and I'll be cooking them with my soft maize. This is soft maize. First, I'm gonna cook the yellow bean for at least 30 minutes, and then I check, see how they look. Now it's time to add the soft maize. So there you go guys, I've already added the soft maize, as you can see. So I'm gonna add more water, and cover and leave them to cook. I'm using our traditional sufuria to cook this meal. As you can see, I've covered. I'm gonna leave it for 45 minutes and then I'll come back and check. So here you go, my githeri is ready. As you can see, maize, soft maize and the yellow beans. Then this is how I'm gonna be frying it for dinner. Fried red onion, then I've added tomatoes, there is ginger, garlic and carrots. First I'll fry that and make sure they are well cooked, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add plantain, the green banana, and then mix. Make sure they are cooked before I add my next ingredient. So I'm gonna be adding water and leave this to cook. So as you can see, my bananas, I'm gonna check if they are cooked. When you see they have turned this color, they're already cooked. This is the time to add my githeri. There you go guys, make sure you check salt if you want to use this recipe, and then I'll mix. As you can see, my food is ready, and my last ingredient, I'm gonna finish with dania just to add nice flavor. And I'm gonna be having this with kienyeji chicken. So guys, if you love this recipe, let me know on the comment section. Have you ever cooked such a recipe? This is our traditional recipe. Guys, try this recipe. It's very easy, healthy, and really nice. So make sure you leave a like, comment, let me know what you think about this video, and let me see you on another one. Bye bye guys.